Solve each quadratic equation using the square root property. Give exact answers and approximate answers rounded to 2 decimal places. Check the answers in the original equation. Alright, so we have the square root property. The square root property basically says if x squared is equal to a, then x is equal to the square root of a, or x is equal to negative square root of a. Often we write that as x is equal to plus or minus square root of a. So let's consider that with our first example here. We have n squared is equal to 81. So it's just an n rather than an x, but we have the same basic concept. If n squared is equal to 81, then n is equal to positive or negative square root of 81. Now this can be simplified, and we can say that n is equal to positive or negative 9. Let's check our work. Let's go with the negative solution first. Is negative 9 squared equal to 81? Well, yes, negative times a negative is positive, so that does give us 81. That checks out. And now the positive solution is 9 squared equal to 81. Well, yes. Exercise B, x squared minus 49 is equal to 0. Notice that if I simply add 49 to both sides, I can make the equation look like that general form, x squared equals a number. In this case, the number is 49. So we have x squared equals 49. Now applying the square root property, we would have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 49. This simplifies as plus or minus 7. Let's check our work. I always check the negative first. Is negative 7 squared minus 49 equal to 0? Well, negative 7 times negative 7 is 49, and 49 minus 49 is 0, so that checks out. And now checking positive 7. 7 squared is 49, and 49 minus 49 is 0, and that checks out as well. In example C, we have 3y squared is equal to 27. Again, notice that I can make the equation look like that general form just by dividing both sides of the equation by 3. And so that yields y squared is equal to 9, and now I can apply the square root property. And so y would equal plus or minus square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is 3, so this simplifies to y equals plus or minus 3. Let's check our work. Checking the negative solution first. 3 by negative 3 squared, is this equal to 27? Following the order of operations, negative 3 squared is 9, so I have 3 times 9, which is 27, and that checks out. And now the positive solution. 3 times 3 squared, is that equal to 27? 3 squared is 9, so I have 3 times 9, which is 27. And so that checks out as well.